Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome to back to another video. I know I haven't uploaded in a long time, but I'm trying to get to it. So today I'll be showing you guys how I'll be fixing this iPhone 6s Plus at home without spending a lot of money. I bought the screen from eBay and they just delivered it like 3 days ago, and this is how bad cracked the phone is. You can see it. This is how cracked it is. So I'll be trying to fix it right now, and this is my toolbox. And if you want to buy any of the supply I use and here, it will be on the description down below. But I'll be using this most. I got this, I don't remember where I got this from, but I am using this. I will try to use only this like for the whole video. So guys, let's see, what do we need from here? Yep, this is my favorite. Wow, they overprotected the back. Like this is crazy. Like, look at this. Okay, so this, put it away. But you can either keep this next to you so you can put your screws inside, so you wouldn't want to lose your screws, so make sure you keep them inside a safe box. So this phone has never been opened before, so right now what we're gonna do is open it. And let me find my screws. Yep, put it safe. Try to use this or this, and only use this one when you're having a hard time opening the phone. Only when you're having a hard time. See this? Yeah, only use it when you're having a hard time opening the phone, because you wouldn't want to use this like all the time. But right now we're gonna start with the plastic one. This is plastic. Okay, so this one can't go through, so okay guys, this is not working. So guys, we are officially done fixing the phone, and yep, as you guys can see in the tutorial, I kind of lost one screw. Yeah, and I couldn't find it right now. I kept looking for it, but I couldn't find it, so I had to close the phone. And I lost the fingerprint. Yep, I lost the fingerprint on the phone. So right now, the phone won't be having any more fingerprint. But the home button still works. Yep, it works. And my sister, they don't need fingerprint anymore, so it doesn't matter. As long as the phone works, that's all that matters.